200-foot extension cord for my hairdryer. My 150-footer is so inconvenient.
You tried the Cox's Pantry? 16 kinds of Kool-Aid.
New coat? Nah, the Smiths have been over-chlorinating their pool.
I just raided the Olsen house. They got a new widescreen TV.
I saw a shooting star last night. Nature nerd.
There's one at every party.
So I press Direct TV and then Menu and then Display.
RJ, the Gaia concept just means the Earth is a single organism, and every action within it has a consequence. Take this unassuming little daisy, for instance. If I... Quick, get me some tape.
There's a nip in the air.
What exactly is a nip? Ah!
I think it's more than a chill, but less than a sharp icicle in the eye.